Ano ang reaksyon ng mga Latinos and Mexicans kay Bea Milan Windorsky, our new Miss Universe Philippines 2026? Kahapon pa ako nag-scroll at sobrang dami ko nakitang reaction from the Latin and Mexican communities. And a lot of the comments are really positive. I've been seeing the words hermosa, guapa, bonita, and so thankful na lang no, meron yung mga Google Translate. And they are agreeing na super ganda at super deserving ni Bea Milan Windorsky. They are even saying that she will do really well in Puerto Rico. Very aware sila na she is a strong candidate, and a lot of Latino vloggers are saying that it is going to be a fight between the Philippines and Venezuela. And pag i-analyze mo yun, Venezuela has been producing some of the most beautiful beauty queens na talagang high caliber. 15 years ago pa talagang magaling na talaga sila. So to be compared with Miss Venezuela is really an honor. So wala pa talaga silang pinadalang mahinang candidate. And that is saying a lot. And also, a lot of Latinos are saying that Bea has the it factor. Kasi sinasabi nila dito that I've been seeing a lot of comments that she looks like Brooke Shields. So at first, like sabi ko, dahil ba sa kilay? So I checked the younger photos of Brooke Shields and I saw there the innocence and yung stare talaga and yung eyebrow nga naman talaga ni Bea Windorsky, and they are right. She really does make you remember about the younger Brooke Shields. And then, alam mo yon yung aura niya is also giving Oksana Fedorova. And did you see her first morning interview sa mga TV shows and TV networks dito sa Pilipinas? At first, in the morning, nakakatuwa no kasi alam mo yung lihad niya, yung lihad pose niya. She was really natural about it. And then on the second interview niya, she was really smart. Alam mo yung mga nagdududa with her communication skills was really silenced, I feel, this morning when she was interviewed regarding her advocacy. And she talked about the OFWs and migrant workers and how specific her goals was. Talagang sabi niya, dignity and respect has to be given for the OFWs. And talagang meron siyang mga plano on how this will be done. Kaya nga, ang sabi niya sa interview niya, is she wanted to become a public servant. So not just a beauty queen, but someone who will really serve the people. So that's really nice. And then yung another interview niya naman, kasi back to back talaga, she was seen with a really cute orange cat. At ang lakas ng charm talaga, like she is a cat person pala. So I really like people who are able to love cats talaga. Sabi niya nare-relax siya kapag nakakita talaga siya ng mga pusa. So, Bea is a natural charmer, ano? And a lot of people are excited once again to watch the Miss Universe competition. Pero syempre, ando dun din yung halong kaba. Kasi due to the recent controversies that we have seen sa Miss Universe. So a lot of pageant fans are of course scared na baka maulit ito uli at baka madaya tayo. So a lot are still very much reserved on their opinions, and meron din ako mga nakikitang nagbabash pa rin talaga kay Bea. And it's not just Latinos and Mexicans, but also yung mga kapwa niya Pilipino, like they are pointing out about her chin, like sinasabi nila ang haba ng baba. And alam mo yon, did you see how she answered it? Did you see how she turned it into something positive? Na sabi niya, na-realize niya of course that these are things that hindi niya mababago sa sarili niya. Like, hindi niya inisip na magpabago na lang ako ng chin ko or magpa-opera na lang ako. Instead, this is something that she has accepted in herself. And sabi niya, this is the features of her family, her relatives, and even pointed out her mom and aunt. And she says she is really proud of it. So, alam mo yun, she has come to accept who she is, which is, alam mo yun, attitude talaga ng true queen. Hindi niya kinahihiya kung ano talaga siya. Instead, she is working with that. And because of that, hindi ko na nga actually napapansin yung chin niya. I can only see now the grace and beauty that made her win. And nasyaka ko, she is only 23 years old but with so much wisdom. And I also love that she is a good writer. Kaya pala alam mo yon, when she was answering the question during the competition, she used the word balikbayan boxes. It sounded so poetic kasi I've been seeing na yung mga nagpo-post about her essays from the past, like pinupost nila yung mga written essays niya. She's really a good writer. That's why she was able to eloquently state kung ano yung answer niya with the word balikbayan boxes. So, meron siyang eloquence na you cannot deny. And she can also become a lawyer or a journalist. And my gosh, she has a double degree in international studies and history, like super wow. She stands at 5'11" and also excels in the performing arts, and she was also a ballet dancer. And she also knows how to play the cello. So what can this girl not do? Napakagaling. So with 7 months left to train, I feel confident about her kasi sabi nga niya, she's a perfectionist and she's always studying kung paano niya mai-improve yung mga turns niya. Of course, she's well aware na may mga pwede pa siyang i-improve. And but what I like most about her when she was interviewed after winning the crown, talagang she credited her success to the prayers that she made to the Lord Jesus Christ. She mentioned going back to the Catholic faith. And of course, it's not about being Catholic or having any religion. What is just important is crediting the Creator and the Lord Jesus Christ for your success. And she is quite aware that ito yung dahilan kaya nanalo siya. This is very much like Pia Wurtzbach na talagang, alam mo yon, nag-pilgrimage siya sa mga iba-ibang churches to connect and really ask out there na for assistance and help na, Lord, please help me win. And so, I really love that she's an overall package. And I feel that wala akong duda sa kanya. She's really very good. I just pray that she will be protected and not be used for the gains of other people. Kasi she's also still very young. And so, we need to pray for her, Bea Milan Wendorsky, that she will be guided in her life so that she will be able to make the right decisions and rally for the right um, platforms in life. Kasi makikita mo naman, she was vocal about the flood control in the Philippines and that issue. And that goes to show hindi siya performative, talagang she's true to her ano. But having a young heart sometimes, 'di ba, ang dami-daming pwedeng mga wrong crowd and wrong influence. So, we need to pray for Bea Milan Windorsky. So, thank you for listening and God bless you. I was really shocked sa dami ng mga views. The last time I posted, I was able to reach 100,000 views. So, thank you so much and God bless you. Always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and I appreciate every comment and support that my channel is also receiving in YouTube. God bless you.